We're going to have a presentation by our sister Patricia, and we thank the translators who are here, the interpreters, and we really appreciate the volunteer help that you've been contributing. We're going to have a presentation, a perspective from our sister on what's happening in Ecuador in relation to the rights of Mother Earth. And after this, Dr. Dan Wildcat is going to come up and give us a summary of where we're at. Because this afternoon, we're going to go into a discussion on solutions. Now, the goal of this whole symposium, this dialogue, is to introduce this concept of what this Global Alliance for Rights of Nature are doing. To introduce this to Indian country, to introduce this to our indigenous peoples of the North, so that we can have critical analysis of it. We've heard excellent presentations the past 2 days. So if she can come up and have a seat, please. And Patricia has come up from Ecuador, and I've met her before, but I really got to meet her at the gathering of the Pachamama Alliance, and the founder and director of Pachamama is here. Bill Twist, can you raise your hand? Yeah, Bill Twist. And Pachamama Alliance has been really effective on helping to organize and help the indigenous peoples in these communities in Ecuador on many different levels. And one of them is building sustainable community from the perspective of the indigenous peoples. And through some of that work is support in their fights to just hold back on the extractive industries. But at this time, for this panel, Patricia, along with other friends like Natalia Green and other supporters that they have in Ecuador, that they've been able to legislate rights of nature in the government of Ecuador. And all eyes, it is true, all eyes are on Ecuador, on how they're going to implement and carry through with these laws now that have been legislated. Because as we know in Ecuador, there's a continuation of the oil industry wanting to do what they do, the logging industry, and the list goes on. So the indigenous peoples have been supporting this legislation. Pachamama Alliance has been helping in that initiative. So Patricia understands this. And there have been indigenous peoples from Ecuador and other countries of South America who have marched and protested around the rights of Mother Earth. So that is why it's very critical that our indigenous peoples of the North and throughout the world understand this concept of rights of Mother Earth, because our brothers and sisters of the South are demanding that the rights of Mother Earth be recognized. Rio Plus 20 is coming up in June. The rights of Mother Earth is going to be presented at the highest level to the world leaders as a solution to this dilemma of building a sustainable world, a better world. Bolivia, as a government, as a country, has pushed this and presented it at the United Nations. Of course, the United States and other governments are resisting this, and corporations. So Patricia is here to talk about this from their perspective and their reality on how her people and the people of the South have been organizing around this rights of Mother Earth. So I'm going to turn over the microphone to her. And after this, Dr. Dan Wildcat will be given a summary of where we're at. Thank you very much.
Alipunja Mashikuna.
Good morning, friends.
Nyukashuti Miang, Patricia Walinga.
My name is Patricia Walinga.
Nyuka Ecuador Mamalyakta Sarayaku Manda Miaño.
I am from Ecuador, the place called Sarayaco.
Nyukashimiwi Kangonata Saludashkani.
In my language, I am greeting.
Pero traducción graigo Mishushimiwi Nyuka Kuintangarauni.
I am going to tell my story in Spanish.
Punda,
At the beginning,
Kuintasha
I will tell you
Imina Ecuadorbi Derechos de la Naturaleza Nishkata Paina Reconocishkata.
I'm going to tell you about what in Ecuador they're going to be recognized the rights of the Mother Earth.
En este primer momento voy a distribuir mi exposición en varios puntos. Iniciaré por el reconocimiento de los derechos de la naturaleza en Ecuador.
Yeah, in the first place, I'm going to distribute the message.
I'm going to speak about the process of disseminating the rights of the Mother Earth.
En el 2008 se elaboró una nueva constituyente en nuestro país
In 2008, we celebrated a new constitution in our country,
y había la oportunidad de discutir varios temas.
we had the opportunity to discuss several topics.
Ahí surgió una nueva propuesta denominada los derechos de la naturaleza.
And there emerged this new proposal about the rights of nature.
Hay que reconocer el trabajo que hicieron algunas ONGs como Pachamama Ecuador, Pachamama Alliance,
We must recognize the work performed by several non-governmental organizations such as Pachamama Ecuador and Pachamama Alliance,
quienes invitaron a personas que sabían sobre el tema. Uno de ellos es de acá de Estados Unidos, como es Thomas Lindsay.
who invited several people who know about this issue to speak with us, such as
¿Sí?
Thomas Lindsay.
Otro vino de Sudáfrica y tuvo la conferencia vía Skype, Corman Kulimna,
Corman Kuliman had a conference with us via Skype,
y se hizo una serie de discusiones a nivel de país.
and we had several discussions nationwide.
Había opiniones de líderes indígenas,
We had opinions from indigenous leaders,
abogados tradicionales,
traditional attorneys,
asambleístas,
uh, legislators,
y también yachaks o chamanes.
and also the wise men, the shamans.
Y al final, con todo este gran movimiento, se logró la aprobación de los derechos de la naturaleza en Ecuador dentro de la Constitución.
Finally, with the support of all of these organizations, we were able to incorporate the rights of nature as part of our constitution.
Para tratar de que pueda ser aprobado, los indígenas no hablamos mucho.
We as indigenous people, we did not speak much when it came to trying to get these legislation incorporated.
Porque todo tema de derecho indígena estaba teniendo gran resistencia dentro de la aprobación de leyes.
Because there was much resistance to any topic regarding indigenous rights.
Pero sabíamos nosotros lo que significaba la aprobación de los derechos de la naturaleza.
But we understood what it meant to have the nature rights approved or recognized.
Y ahora eso está escrito ahí,
So now it is written
dentro de la ley.
within the law.
Para ello, conversaré cómo ha sido el proceso de nuestros pueblos en la lucha y resistencia
I will share with you what the process was for us of our community in the fight, in the resistance,
y cómo esto se relaciona con el derecho de la madre tierra y de la naturaleza.
and how this is related to the rights of Mother Earth and nature.
Los pueblos indígenas siempre hemos estado en un proceso de resistir a todo aquello que a nosotros nos ha afectado.
We are in a constant struggle to resist anything that has affected us.
Y dentro de nuestro pequeño país, Ecuador, ha habido varios procesos.
Within our small country, Ecuador, there have been many processes.
Uno es el proceso de mi pueblo Sarayaku,
The first is the process of my people, Sarayaku,
que en el 2002 entabló una batalla muy fuerte dentro del territorio para expulsar a una empresa petrolera.
In 2002, we began the fight, the struggle to remove a oil company from our territory,
Y lo logramos.
and we succeeded.
Esto hizo toda una noticia a nivel del país,
This was great news worldwide, or nationwide,
pero fuimos más allá.
but we went beyond that.
Impusimos una demanda al Estado de Ecuador por violación a nuestros derechos ante una corte internacional.
We sued the Ecuadorian government because they violated our laws, and we presented this lawsuit in an international court.
Ese proceso lleva ya 10 años.
This lawsuit has been ongoing for the past 10 years.
Al mismo tiempo, hay otras nacionalidades que también han luchado súper fuerte.
Other nationalities have also fought,
El caso Achuar y Shuar
such as the Achuar Ishwar case.
defendieron valientemente su territorio contra la empresa Conoco, Burlington,
Who fought against the Conoco and Burlington corporations,
y también lograron detenerlo.
and they succeeded also.
Su caso llegó hasta la Organización Internacional del Trabajo.
Their case reached the World Labor Organization.
Hay dos procesos más. Uno es muy famoso como el caso Texaco.
The Texaco case is also very famous.
Lleva 20 años de proceso judicial de una demanda hacia la Texaco de los pueblos afectados en Ecuador.
And this lawsuit against Texaco by Ecuadorian peoples has been ongoing for the past 20 years.
Cuando ustedes visitan esa parte del país,
When you visit this part of the country,
uno puede ver toda la desgracia y la contaminación que ha dejado Texaco.
you can see the carnage and all of the contamination left by Texaco Corporation.
Inclusive hay un tour que se denomina Toxitour,
In fact, we have a toxic tour
que es para que vean lo que ha hecho la empresa petrolera.
so that people will see what this petroleum industry has carried out.
Pero en 20 años todavía el sistema judicial exige pruebas.
But after 20 years, the judicial system continues to expect proof.
Y la empresa cada vez se inventa más cosas para impedir la sentencia.
And this corporation continues to invent things to avoid the ruling.
Pero ahí va, avanza.
But we keep going, we continue.
El otro caso es Intac.
Another case is Intac.
Ellos no son todos indígenas, son gente mestiza
Everybody in this lawsuit is not indigenous. We have some mestizo people.
y ellos también han logrado detener a la empresa minera canadiense.
And they have succeeded in halting the activities of the Canadian corporation.
Entonces, en Ecuador hay varios procesos,
So in Ecuador, we have several legal proceedings or processes.
siempre luchando,
We continue to fight
defendiendo los derechos de los pueblos indígenas y de la madre tierra.
and to defend the rights of indigenous people and Mother Earth.
Pero ¿qué pasa actualmente?
What is occurring presently?
Actualmente, a pesar de que hay los derechos de la naturaleza,
In spite of the fact that we have the laws of Mother Nature,
a pesar de que hay un reconocimiento de los derechos de los pueblos indígenas,
in spite of the fact that the rights of indigenous people are recognized,
a los gobiernos no les da importancia.
The government does not pay attention to them.
El gobierno de Ecuador,
The Ecuadorian government,
Rafael Correa,
Rafael Correa,
quien se denomina un gobierno de izquierda,
who identifies himself and his government as a leftist government,
no es diferente a los otros gobiernos.
is no different than any other government.
Con respecto a los pueblos indígenas,
When it comes to indigenous people,
ha sido un gobierno igual o peor que los otros.
he has been as bad or worse as other governments.
Él ha llamado a la denominada 11ª ronda de explotación petrolera.
He has called for the 10th round of of bidding on oil concessions.
Esta vez se intenta adjudicar más de 3 millones de hectáreas de territorios indígenas.
And this time he pretends to adjudicate or take possession of 3 million, more than 3 million hectares of indigenous territories.
Aquellos territorios que siempre han estado resistiendo y no han dejado ingresar a las empresas.
These same territories that continue to fight to refuse entry to these corporations.
Acaba de adjudicar a las mineras chinas la minería a gran escala en zonas como la Cordillera del Cóndor.
The government has just given a Chinese corporation the rights to large-scale mining in a large portion of the
Del Cóndor, así se llama.
the Condor mountain range.
Esta es una inmensa cordillera, zona de bosque primario con gran megadiversidad.
This mountain range is a large forest with a great biodiversity.
La última marcha de los pueblos indígenas en Ecuador, de hace 15 días, se debió a esta adjudicación.
15 days ago, we had a large march in Ecuador in order to protest this concession.
La lucha para los pueblos indígenas parece no tener fin.
The struggle seems endless.
El gobierno trata de hacer creer que no habrá ningún impacto.
The government pretends as if there would be no impact.
Trata de desprestigiar a todos los líderes indígenas.
They intend to undermine all indigenous leaders.
Divide,
They divide us.
desprestigia
They attempt to remove our prestige.
e intenta desaparecer a las organizaciones.
Then they attempt to eliminate our organizations.
Es un momento crítico para el Ecuador.
This is a critical time for Ecuador.
Aún así, nosotros no hemos bajado la cabeza
We have not let down our head,
y los procesos continúan.
and these processes continue.
Mi pueblo Sarayaku,
My town in Sarayaku,
después de 10 años,
after 10 years,
después de haber estado ya ante una última audiencia en la Corte Interamericana,
after standing for a final hearing before the Inter-American Court,
ahora, en estos días, se está preparando para recibir a la Corte en Sarayaku.
now we are preparing to receive the court in Sarayaku.
Se espera que dicte una sentencia después de la visita a Sarayaku.
We hope that they will deliver a ruling after their visit to Sarayaku.
Y que esta sentencia tiene que ver mucho con el consentimiento libre, previo e informado.
And that this ruling be made with consent, with a free consent
Previo e informado.
and well-informed of the court.
Esta sentencia ha generado gran expectativa en los gobiernos de otros países.
This ruling has been awaited in several countries.
Porque actualmente, a pesar de que dice las leyes que tienen que consultarnos,
because in spite of the fact that the law says that we must be consulted,
según el gobierno, esas leyes no son vinculantes.
according to the government, these laws are not binding.
Si nos consultan y les decimos que no, no les importa.
If they consult us and we tell them no, they don't care.
Pero si la sentencia establece una jurisprudencia donde el pueblo de Sarayaku o los pueblos indígenas puedan decir que no,
But if this ruling establishes the precedent that indigenous communities such as Sarayaku can say no,
los gobiernos tendrán que respetar.
governments will have to respect us.
Y como eso crea jurisprudencia, los gobiernos también están esperando la sentencia.
And since this also creates precedent, all other governments are also awaiting the ruling.
Mi pueblo somos como 1,200 personas,
My community consists of 1,200 people.
pero este pueblo pequeño, con su lucha, intenta que otros pueblos indígenas del continente salgan también favorecidos.
But we pretend that with our struggle from our small town, other indigenous communities will benefit, will receive benefit.
Siempre estamos tratando de ver cómo avanzar y luchar por nuestra dignidad.
We continually look for ways to advance and to preserve our dignity.
Y entonces, para tratar de hacer entender por qué luchamos los pueblos indígenas,
And so to help others understand why we indigenous people fight,
hemos estado trabajando una propuesta que se denomina Selva Viviente.
we have been developing a proposal called Living Forest.
Todos en América del Sur, en Bolivia, en Ecuador, están hablando sobre el denominado summa causai o buen vivir.
Everybody in Bolivia, in Ecuador, in several countries, we're talking about the concept of summa causa or the good life.
Lo que hemos visto es que, como esto nacía desde los pueblos indígenas, los occidentales solo tomaron la palabra y lo interpretaron como quisieron.
We noticed that Europeans or Westerners only adopted parts of this proposal that they liked, and they ignored other parts of the proposal.
Nosotros, al ver esto, con la Selva Viviente, queremos hacer entender la integralidad que tiene el derecho de la Madre Tierra y el derecho de lo que en ellas habitan.
With our new proposal, Living Earth, we try to make clear the interconnectedness of the Earth with
El derecho que tiene la Madre Tierra.
and we try to establish the right of Mother Earth.
¿Por qué lo hemos denominado Selva Viviente?
Why do we call it a living forest?
Porque dentro de nuestra cosmovisión y espiritualidad,
Because within our cosmovision and spirituality,
todo tiene un motivo, un dueño y seres y animales que en ella habitan.
everything has a purpose and an owner.
No, dueño, seres que en ella habitan.
They have each of them has a spiritual protector or owner, she says, of all living creatures.
Por ejemplo, hay un dueño de la selva. Nosotros no somos los dueños.
For instance, there is a guardian of the earth. We are not the guardians.
Y su nombre es Amasanga.
Its name is Amasano.
Amasanga.
Amasanga.
Cada uno le hemos dado nombres para identificarlos.
We have given each of them a name to identify.
Él es el que nos provee si vamos a tener buena cacería.
He decides whether we will have a good catch,
Si vamos a poder andar tranquilamente en la selva.
if we can wander freely in the forest.
Él es el que controla a los animales, a las selvas, a las aves y a todas las especies que en ella habitamos.
He controls the forest, birds, and all species that live within the forest.
Entonces no solo estamos hablando del derecho del mono, de la guacamaya o de otros, estamos hablando del derecho de aquel ser que hace que esto exista.
So we do not only speak of the rights of the monkeys and the parrots, we speak of the rights of this being who exists there.
¿Qué pasa si este ser desaparece? Porque puede morir, es un ser vivo.
What happens is if this being disappears, because he can die, he's a living being.
No estamos hablando de un espíritu, estamos hablando de un ser.
We do not speak of a spirit, we speak of a being.
Si este ser muere o desaparece, también desaparece la selva y todo lo que estaba a su cuidado.
So if this being disappears, so too will everything in the forest.
Y esa es la parte que no entienden.
This is what they don't understand.
Y lo mismo el río.
The same goes with the river.
En el río también hay otro ser que se llama Yacuruna.
Yakuruna is the being of the river.
Y él protege a todos los peces, a las anacondas, e inclusive, si tú estás preparado bien, lo puedes mirar, a cualquiera de estos dos seres.
He protects the rivers, the fish, the anaconda, and if you are prepared to see him, you will be able to see him.
¿Qué pasa con estos seres cuando está contaminado el río?
What happens to these beings when the river is contaminated, polluted?
Desaparecen, mueren, sus niños también, porque es todo como son familias.
He disappears, and so do his children, because they are families.
Y entonces, toda la cadena que estaba bajo su cuidado también desaparece.
So the chain that he cares for and he protects also will disappear.
Y los ríos empiezan a secar,
And rivers will dry,
y ese río empieza a morir.
and this river will begin to die.
Y eso también nos afecta a los seres humanos.
And this affects human beings also.
Y así podría poner cualquier cantidad de otros ejemplos de cómo lo vemos nosotros a la Madre Tierra.
I could offer countless examples of how we see the Mother Earth.
Esa es la integralidad con la que vemos.
This is how we see the process as an integrated process.
La compañía minera que va a trabajar destruyendo toda una montaña
The mining company pretends to destroy an entire mountain.
va a hacer desaparecer a todo esto.
They will cause everything to disappear.
Esa es una clara violación a la Madre Tierra y a sus hijos.
This is a clear violation of Mother Earth and her children.
Ese es el ecosistema.
That's the ecosystem.
Para nosotros no hay el ser superficial, los arbolitos, sino hay la integralidad de lo que hay a lo profundo.
For us, it's not a matter of a tree. We consider the integrity of the whole system.
¿Qué pasa si destruimos todo esto inconscientemente por toda nuestra depredación del ser humano?
What happens if we, as predatory humans, destroy everything?
Según mi padre, que es un yachak de 90 años, la tierra se volverá espuma.
According to my father, who is a leader,
Shaman.
a shaman of
90.
90 years, the earth will become foam.
Y por eso es lo que luchan los pueblos indígenas.
This is what we fight for.
Esa es la parte que los gobiernos, ni las empresas, ni la sociedad occidental quiere entender.
This is what neither the government nor Western society wants to understand.
Por eso nosotros lo hemos denominado causa sacha o selva viviente.
This is why we've called it Kausta Sacha, or living forest.
Si un pueblo indígena pierde toda su esencia, su cosmovisión, su espiritualidad y depreda, es igual que al hombre blanco.
If an indigenous community loses all of its spirituality, its cosmovision, its spirit, during this practicing this predation, they are the same as the white people.
Por eso es importante
This is why it's important
que nosotros dentro de nuestros pueblos
that we within our own people and our own communities
podamos tener un gobierno que armonice todo esto.
can have a government that will harmonize all of these things.
No me refiero al gobierno occidental, sino al gobierno indígena.
I don't refer to the Western government, but rather to our indigenous government.
Todos aquellos seres no mezquinan que podamos coger el pescado o que podamos cazar al mono, no. Ellos se molestan cuando lo hacemos en exceso.
All of these people, they don't get upset whenever we take all of these beings do not get upset when we take the fish or the other animals, but rather they become upset and angry when we take in excess.
La ley de la naturaleza, la ley de la madre tierra, ya no la ley humana, es para todos, para indígenas y no indígenas.
The law of nature is not just for indigenous people, it's for all.
Muchos creen que porque ya hemos estado en la ciudad, hemos perdido nuestra cosmovisión, y no es así.
Many people believe that because we have left for the cities, we've lost our cosmovision, our spirituality, but this is not the case.
Por ejemplo, Sarayaku está luchando ahora en el sistema occidental,
Sarayaku is presently fighting in the Western system,
pero nosotros estamos tratando de, en ese sistema, que es el que entiende todo el ser humano que no es indígena,
and we are fighting within the system, which is the system that seems to be understood by everyone else who is not indigenous.
se entienda cuál es la esencia de nuestra lucha y de nuestra existencia.
We hope that they will understand what the essence is of our struggle and our existence.
Eso es lo que puedo compartir con ustedes.
This is what I can share with you.
Y no sé si hay dudas o cosas así, pero
I don't know if you guys have any questions or doubts or something like that.
soy mejor respondiendo.
I'm better answering questions.
Yes, I'm going to set the microphone right up here, and if there would, again, I hate to do this, but just in the interest of time, raise your hand. 2 questions. Anyone? Okay. Anyone else? Anyone? A question. Okay. You kind of have to get real close to this one. There you go.
First and foremost, I'm very familiar with a lot of what they were talking about. I'm very aware of what's going on in South America. I do have a question that I'm going to ask briefly, but there is science to back this vision that what they call the Earth turning to foam. There's actually a book I read recently about the end Permian extinction, which is basically the acidification of the oceans because of carbon runoff. Forests are carbon sinks. They basically keep the carbon out of the ocean. That's why there's dead zones in the Pacific, okay? There's a reality right now off the coast of Africa that periodically that it degasses and it kills everything. This can actually happen on our planet. This is what they're talking about. So there is science that now backs the cosmovision. And there's only one scientist talking about it, and he's actually what is considered to be a paleogeologist and ecologist. My question for her is, I love your vision. I like what you guys are doing. How can we help you become more effective so that you guys can win your fight so this becomes a precedent? Because this is exactly down my alley. This is what gets me excited. This is what I dream about all day long. And this is what I was raised to do. So I'm on your team. You just tell me what I got to do.
No sabía que había algo científico que respaldara la teoría de mi padre.
I didn't know that there was something that science backed my father's theory.
Pero me alegra saberlo, lo voy a decir.
But I'm glad to know it.
¿Cómo nos pueden ayudar para que pueda haber una sentencia? Hay varias formas.
How can you guys help us so that there will be a ruling? There are many ways.
Muchos han utilizado realizar cartas de solidaridad.
Many have written letters of support.
Por ejemplo, Pachamama Ecuador ha apoyado con recursos
Pachamama Ecuador has supported us with resources
para que podamos movernos en la ciudad.
so that we can move around in the city.
Otros pasantes han ayudado con traducciones.
Many others have helped us with translations.
Otros nos han contactado con medios de comunicación importante.
Others have helped us with via mediums of communication.
Pero más,
Yeah, sorry.
otros han hecho muchas oraciones por nosotros.
Many others have prayed for us.
Pero lo más importante es que todos estemos pendientes de qué va a pasar, ya sea con nosotros o con todos los que estamos en los procesos de lucha.
Most importantly, please keep abreast of our processes and our struggles.
A veces mandamos llamadas de auxilio,
Sometimes we send out SOS calls.
por ejemplo, para el 21 de abril.
For instance, on April 21st,
Estamos haciendo una colecta con todos los amigos, las ONGs, para llevar mucha prensa a Sarayaku.
we are doing a fundraiser in order to bring out the press to Sarayaku.
Cuando hablo de Sarayaku, les estoy hablando en la selva.
When I speak of Sarayaku, I'm talking to you guys about a forest.
No hay carreteras.
There are no roads.
Las avionetas con las que podemos llegar
We are traveling there via small airplanes.
la capacidad es de 5 personas o de 3.
These small airplanes are only able to carry 3 or 5 people.
Y lo tenemos que alquilar como taxis.
And we have to hire them as if they were taxis.
Entonces, cuando necesitamos visibilizar la lucha,
Thus, when we need to publicize our struggle,
necesitamos pagar esos taxis
we must pay for those taxis
y convencer a la prensa que tienen que moverse hacia la selva.
and convince the press that they must move to the forest.
También vamos a llevar nacionalidades de otros pueblos,
We are also taking citizens from other countries
porque la estrategia del gobierno
because the strategy of the government
es hacer ver a Sarayaku
is to represent Sarayaku
como un pueblo violento,
as a violent people,
solo,
isolated,
etnocentrista.
ethnocentric.
Y nosotros no lo vamos a permitir porque no es cierto.
And we will not allow this because it is simply not true.
El que nosotros no estemos con la cabeza agachada,
The fact that we may not let our head down,
el que miremos de frente al presidente,
the fact that we will look the president in the eye,
el que digamos en voz alta nuestros derechos,
and the fact that we will say out loud we want our rights
no nos hace etnocéntricos.
does not make us ethnocentric.
Entonces, hay varias formas
So there are many ways
de apoyar.
to support us.
Unos con recursos,
Some with
otros con
resources.
solidaridad,
With solidarity,
otros con traducción,
with translations,
pero siempre estar pendientes.
but always keep abreast of.
Si nosotros que estamos en la selva pudimos luchar, yo creo que todos podemos hacerlo.
If we who were from the forest were able to fight, everybody can do it.
Gracias.
Thank you so much.
We have one more question. Please identify yourself. And
My name's Tyler Kimbrell. I was a student here at Haskell. I just want to thank you for being here today. You had described some success with dealing with your government, and in North America we have a lot of issues right now within indigenous communities and the government. And I was wondering if you'd be willing to share some advice on how we can have success as well.
Una de las cosas que nosotros hacemos como Sarayaku
One of the things that we do in Sarayaku
ha sido ir contra lo que todos denominan lo imposible.
is a fight against what everyone else calls the impossible.
La lucha no ha sido fácil.
The struggle is not easy.
Hemos pasado hambre en la ciudad,
We have been hungry while in the city.
frío en la capital,
We have experienced cold in the capital.
hemos soportado el racismo,
We have had to face racism,
pero no hemos declinado.
but we have not let up.
Por ejemplo, para los derechos de la naturaleza,
For instance, for the laws of nature,
logramos llevar chamanes de todas las naciones amazónicas, nacionalidades amazónicas.
we have taken shaman from all Amazonic nations.
Y nos pusimos frente a los asambleístas o a los congresistas.
And we faced the congressmen.
Es impresionante ver,
It's so,
inclusive para nosotros que somos indígenas, hay achaks o chamanes de todas las nacionalidades.
it's so impressive, even for us, to see shaman from all nations.
Cada uno con algo distinto.
Each one brought something different.
Por supuesto que lo que más llamó a los congresistas fue el chamán Waorani.
Of course, the shaman who most awed the Congress was the shaman Guarani.
Ellos son los últimos en ser descubiertos en Ecuador.
They are the last to be discovered in Ecuador.
Por lo tanto, no llevaba ropa.
Thus, he was unclothed.
Era un anciano casi de 80 y más años.
He was an older man of 80 years old.
Su oreja era muy grande
He had very large ears,
y llevaba una lanza.
and he had a spear.
Yo creo que de alguna manera la visita de estos líderes espirituales movió la asamblea.
I believe that this visit from our spiritual leaders moved the assembly
Y hizo que salga el derecho de la naturaleza.
and brought forth the laws of nature.
Claro, nos apoyamos con las cosas técnicas de los abogados, los líderes de opinión,
Of course, we receive support from attorneys and opinion leaders.
pero la presencia de nuestra lucha se basa también en las alianzas estratégicas, el éxito.
Our success, though, also relies on our bonds, our strategic bonds with other groups.
Nosotros nos hemos convertido en expertos en conseguir aliados.
We have become experts in gaining or making allies.
No nos importa
We don't care
si son blancos,
if they're white,
si son asiáticos.
Asian.
La idea es que apoyen nuestra lucha.
The idea is that they're supporting our struggle.
No nos importa utilizar internet,
We don't care if we
Cámaras.
need to use internet, cameras,
fotos,
photographs,
con la posibilidad de que la lucha sea visible en todo lado.
What's important is that our fight is visible everywhere.
Que si el gobierno de Ecuador viene a los Estados Unidos,
If the Ecuadorian government comes to the United States,
haya un grupo de gente protestando por Sarayaco.
we want there to be a group of people there protesting on behalf of Sarayaku.
Que si va a Europa,
If they go to Europe,
hay un grupo protestando por Sarayaco.
there will be there a group protesting on behalf of Sarayaku.
Y así, por cualquier parte del mundo que vaya,
And there, wherever, anywhere in the world that they travel,
Sarayaco le persigue.
we are going to follow them.
Esa ha sido una de las estrategias.
That has been one of our strategies.
Una visibilidad muy amplia,
A broad visibility,
porque si nosotros nos hubiéramos quedado quietos solo luchando en Sarayaku, nos hubieran exterminado a los 1200.
because if we had stayed in Sarayaku without making much noise, they would have already exterminated us.
Y nadie se hubiera enterado.
And nobody would have found out. Nobody would have noticed.
Entonces, una estrategia mediática de solidaridad internacional, más la resistencia interna y la conciencia del pueblo, ha hecho que tengamos éxito relativo.
So we have carried on our struggle, and we have achieved success because of our visibility in the media, our alliances, and our continued internal struggle.
Hay varias cosas. Uno, que exista un gobierno indígena con autoridades indígenas bien fuertes y un pueblo fuerte, consciente de lo que busca en esta vida.
A couple of things. It's important for us to have an indigenous government, a strong indigenous government.
Nosotros aplicamos nuestra propia justicia indígena.
We apply our own indigenous justice.
Nosotros tenemos un gobierno indígena.
We have our own indigenous government.
Nosotros hacemos nuestros propios reglamentos.
We make our own laws.
Y eso es obligatorio y se debe cumplir para todos,
And this is mandatory and everyone should follow,
inclusive para los líderes
including the leaders.
que si en algún momento cometen o violan la ley, son igual como cualquiera y se tiene que aplicar.
So if they commit some sort of infraction on this law, they will suffer the same as everyone else.
Sarayaku es el único sitio donde los militares ya no pueden ingresar.
The military can no longer enter the Sarayaku territory.
También los sacamos de ahí.
We expelled them.
Entonces han buscado una estrategia de decir que Sarayaku es un estado dentro de otro estado.
So they are arguing that Sarayaku is now a state within a state.
Pero no es cierto.
This is not true.
Simplemente no queremos una imposición de algo que no es nuestro.
We reject the imposition of something that is not ours.
Si vienen con buenas intenciones, Sarayaku los recibe.
If they come with good intentions, we will receive them.
Si vienen para hacer daño, Sarayaku les expulsa.
If they come with bad intentions, then we shall expel them.
Después se han tejido historias de Sarayaku que no son ciertas.
They've also spread stories of Sarayaku which are untrue.
Y algunos tienen miedo.
And some are afraid.
A veces eso es conveniente porque los militares no quieren irse tampoco.
Sometimes this is convenient because the soldiers do not want to come.
Entonces hay varias cosas que hemos hecho y eso ha hecho que tengamos algo de éxito.
We have taken several approaches, and so this has allowed for our success.
Las últimas tentaciones son el dinero.
The last temptation that we've had to face is money.
El gobierno de Ecuador siempre está ofreciendo millones,
The Ecuadorian government is always offering us millions,
diciendo que Sarayaku se va a convertir en una comunidad del milenio.
saying that Sarayaku will become a community of the millennium.
Y nosotros lo miramos de lejos. No aceptamos ese tipo de cosas.
We notice these, but we are not accepting these forms of things.
Sarayaku tiene su propio plan.
Sarayaku has its own plan.
Quiere hacer ver cómo queremos ser tratados y cómo queremos ver el desarrollo desde nuestra cosmovisión.
We want to show them how we want to be treated, and we want to show them how the development will be carried out according to our worldview, our cosmovision.
Nosotros sí nos entendemos. El gobierno, en cambio, se conflictúa.
We understand each other. However, the government, they trip on themselves.
I want to give a very warm expression of our gratitude, Patricia, for your journey here and to share your wisdom and the struggle that you are engaged in. Thank you so much. We're honored to have you here. Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
And very quickly, we've had some requests of how you could support the people in Ecuador, the indigenous peoples there, Marlon, Santi, Patricia, what they bring, through a gracious offer from the Pachamama Alliance, who has been in partnership with the indigenous peoples there for 17 plus years. It's worked in harmony in a really amazing way to speak of and preserve exactly what Patricia and Marlon have said. We hear in the government that earmarks are not good. This is a case where Pachamama Alliance is saying, please, if you would like to support this, they have agreed to accept funding earmarked not to go to the general operation funds of the Pachamama Alliance to keep the phones on, but to go directly to help and assist what's going on in the lungs of our mother and the protection of this area. So for our people who are watching streaming and listening, please know it's Pachamama, P-A-C-H-A-M-A-M-A, Pacha, which means earth, time, and space all in one. Mother, Pachamama.org. Thank you so much, Bill Twist, one of the founders of the Pachamama Alliance, for making that offer. I just wanted to extend it to all of you and to everyone listening and watching. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that announcement.